Today we're going to talk about an amazing music generator that is powered by AI. So let's dive right in. The tool we're going to talk about today is UDIO. Here is the URL. This is the direct competitor to Suno, which we have already covered in our previous video. But some say UDIO is even better than Suno. Head over to udio.com and then sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll end up in this page. And then from here, you can make your music. If you go down, you can check out all these other creations done by other user. For example, we have this. It's called Watch Out for the Boogeyman. So let's check it out.
Watch out for the boogeyman. Watch out for the boogeyman.
Alright, that's really funky. Let's check out this Cosmic Canine Cruise.
Space dog. Space dog.
Alright, so I would say the composition was really good because everything from the music to the lyrics is generated by the AI. To create your own song, it's very simple. So all you have to do is just go on the top and then write here what kind of song you're looking for. So let's say we want to create a song about a dog wearing green glasses going to the space and he's very excited. Alright, so let's see what kind of lyrics the AI comes up with. After that, you can mention what kind of genres you want the AI to make, or you can select these tags. For example, there is rock, electronic, indie rock, folk, blues. So select it according to you. So I'll just go with synth pop and a little bit of disco. Once you're done with the text prompt, there are 3 ways through which you can generate the song. The first one is the custom. Here you can write in your own lyrics. Or if you want the track to be instrumental, you can do that too. Just click on it. But the best feature is the auto-generated feature. In here, the AI will generate everything for you. After that, just click on create. So while it generates that, let's add some other prompts. Alright, so for this, I wrote a song about the moon, earth and the creation of universe. And there you go, our songs are ready. Just click on the title and you can check out the details. Here you can check out the prompt and the lyrics as well. Let's listen to it.
Yeah, about to blast off, tail wagging machine, reflecting stars in glasses, a sight unseen.
Alright, so that was really cool. Let's check out the other songs.
What you see? He's got on. He's rocking. Shades of green in space.
This one is called Celestial Grasp.
On ocean's spine, and when you gaze into the night, will it be alive? Will you touch the sky? Will you feel the
Wow, that was really good. I was not expecting that. The composition and the feel of the song is really great. Here's another one, Astral Throne.
shadows whisper across the craters, myths untold. Every eve the earth she cradles me so bold.
Alright, so from here you can either publish the song so that it will appear in your profile, and you can click here to download it to the computer. You can download just the audio or you can download with the video as well. Here you get a couple of different options. The first one is the remix option. In here, if you want to make a different variation of it, you can do that. You can use this slider to make the new song more similar to the existing one, or you can make a complete different. Adjust with this slider. You can edit your prompt if you want and choose a different genre. You can use the same lyrics if you want, or you can generate a completely new one. So the length of these songs are about 30 seconds. And here is the cool part. You can extend these and make it into a full song. So all you have to do is just click on extend, and then in here you can add different sections. For example, if you want to add an intro, you can do that. Just click on it. Or if you want to add a section, you can do that too. And I want the intro to be instrumental, so I'll just click on this and then click on extend. So you can keep on extending these songs, add sections and outros and make it into a full length song. Alright, so here are the different versions.
Fly across the sky.
I really like this, so let's say I want to add an intro to it. Instrumental, I'll just type here guitar solo. Alright, so here is the extended version. Alright, so that was pretty cool. That's exactly what I was looking for the intro. So from here you can keep on extending the song and keep on adding sections. So if you are satisfied with this song, just click here to download and save it to the computer. To check out all your creations, just head over to the left and then click on My Creations. And in here you can find your entire library of generated music. So here are some of the other examples done by this AI.
Ain't no mistake, you got that groove, yeah. On my furry friend today, yeah. What my dog.
Alright, so there you have it folks. That was UDIO, the amazing music generator powered by AI. I hope you find this video informative, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.